Somewhere in the humid valley, along the arid esplanade of southwestern America, a humble man who belongs to the genuine Navajo tribe prepares his ritual in the desert. Disoriented on the plateau of the dry vast plain, the indigent of haunting sobs, wrapped in a tear's velvet cloak, burns a bit of wood of oak to ignite a homemade campfire next to its cone-shaped cottage, before dusts of his large cedar flute and interpret a chatting ode, unusual praise dedicated to the honor of his revered wife, so he can feel close to the heart with which he will beat till the end of his days. Protected from a threatening sky, and in the lack of fair skin coat, gives warmth to his cold hands, crystallizing the burning pain, while rejoicing in himself, the native of the rain.